Hello guys, and welcome back again to another Tools and Gadgets. Today we are gonna be doing an unboxing and review for this Antook 1080p baby camera for the car. So after the unboxing, I'll be showing to you where I placed it in the car and if ever the video quality and the screen, because they said that this is an IPS LED screen. It's not the same as the other baby cameras, baby car cameras that just comes with a TFT screen. So let's check it out, guys. So as we unbox this, we get the holder for the screen, and we have the cable. So I don't know how many feet the cable is. Oh, the cable is around 16.4 feet. And you have the charging cable, okay, the cigarette charging cable, and you have the camera itself with the cable, so with the straps. So you're gonna be strapping this at the back of the headrest. All right, that's the size. Let's go on and find a size comparison. Okay, so this is the cigarette lighter. Yeah, so that's the size of it. All right, and here we have the screen itself. Here, so it has a little shade, so that maybe it's for the glare, so that glare won't get through here when it's sunny outside. And you have the two, I think this audio, it doesn't have audio, I think it's just for the video. Okay, yeah, so that's it, guys. So, and also when you buy this, guys, and if you already have a dash cam in the car, so what happens is that you only have just one cigarette lighter slot on your car. So what I did was I purchased a splitter. Hold on, let me show it to you guys. So this splitter, guys, I got it from Amazon for around $10, and at first I was skeptic about the quality, but then when I got it, guys, it is so thick. The wire is so thick. I don't know, hold on. The gauge they're using is 16 gauge. Alright, so it is so thick. So we're gonna be installing this on our single slot cigarette lighter, and we're gonna split it into two. So I have one for the dash cam and other for the baby camera. So let's go, guys. Okay, so here it is, guys. So I managed to switch it up with the mount that comes with my phone holder. I managed to switch it up with the Antook wireless video camera. Sorry, it's not wireless. So the air duct mount there, I just switched it up with this. So what happened was the other one, the red cable, let me just show you the one that I told you earlier that it is a audio video. It doesn't come with an audio. This is actually a power cable, and the other one was the line itself going to the camera. So I managed to hit it there and all the way under the seat. And let me just show you. You can see a little wire there, and all the way to the back, right there. And the cigarette outlet, I managed to stick it here. So I have two. This is one for the dash cam, and this is for the newly installed camera, baby camera. So yeah, the wire is really thick, guys, so it's really reliable, and it does have a fuse right here so that it won't I think it won't get caught on a fire. Okay, guys, so let's test the delay. I think there is really slight delay here, so let's go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so as you can see, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's really much lower delay. And also, guys, this is the IPS screen, so it has better quality compared to the TFT screens out in the market. This retails for about $69. So it's really much on the higher cost side. But then if you get the quality, guys, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I hope the camera give justice to the quality of the screen here. So I'm just gonna test out when it's dark, and let's see how it does in the dark. So yeah, that's about it, guys. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and see you again in our next vlog.